Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
So today we plan just to do the laundry. I have to print my boarding ticket because tomorrow I'm flying to the Czech Republic. I'm just gonna do like a quick stop to do some stuff in the Czech Republic, do some errands, and then I'm gonna fly back. So Roman gonna have to be alone.
Yeah, only 3 days.
In Georgia, 3 days. So probably I'm gonna shoot my day in the Czech Republic. You're probably gonna see what the life in Czech Republic, how it looks like. Probably, I'm not sure yet, but it's a possibility. And yeah, so today we just gonna do the laundry. We're gonna show you how we do the laundry in the Jeep. And yeah, I need to find like a printing service. It's gonna print my boarding ticket because they don't accept boarding ticket on my mobile phone. So that's gonna be that's it. I don't know if you're gonna visit some interesting places today, but yeah, it's gonna be like more like a casual day for us today. So see ya. I hope you're gonna have also a beautiful day, and I hope you're gonna enjoy my vlogs.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Have a nice day.
So we have the first Doggo here. First morning Doggo. We're gonna give him some food. We're gonna hi, hello guy. He's gonna be the first one in the morning. He's gonna get some food. So he's having the sausage in the distance, and he is happy. That's cool. So yeah, so it was nice to meet you, Doggo. Bye. You're super cute. Bye. We have some food for you. He is so cute. So we're gonna try to give the food to the another one, but she's really scared. Let's see. So we're gonna do the laundry here. Lavanda laundry service, and there is in Georgia there is like a really limited amount of laundromats. At this place you're just gonna give the clothes, and in 2 hours you're gonna get it back. So yeah, that's kind of cool. But yeah, we have the laundry day, and we're gonna put the laundry here. There's a lady that will clean for us everything. So we have just left the laundry place, and there was like a really nice lady, but she couldn't really speak English, and she spoke like a little bit of Russian, and we couldn't find out like when are we picking the clothes. So yeah, so it was kind of hard to understand when the clothes is gonna be done, but yeah, but I think it's gonna be okay. I hope we understood it clearly at the end, and we're gonna pick it up in like 3 hours. So yeah. So now we are probably gonna go for lunch or something. We are kind of hungry. So yeah. See ya, guys. No, Pepenik.
No, já to zvednu. No. A nech na toho černýho, až přijde. Já chci najít.
Hop. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You can.
Loučej se s tebou.
No. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Bye-bye. Hi guys, so I've just printed my boarding passes, my boarding pass in one printing service, and yeah, like the thing is that in Kutaisi airport you have to print your boarding passes. So yeah, but in Kutaisi there are like I would say at least like 10 printing services, so it's not that hard to get it printed. But yeah, that's kind of a little bit of an inconvenience when it comes to Kutaisi airport. But the tickets to the Czech Republic are extremely cheap. I'm flying with the Wizz Air, and I think it costs like 60 euros one direct flight to the Prague from Kutaisi. So yeah, so I'm happy that it's like nothing. So yeah, so that's the boarding passes. We already have the laundry at my at the laundry place, at the lady. So we are waiting for it to get it done. It's gonna, I think at least like 3 hours it's gonna take for the clothes to get dried and washed. And now we are going to Gala restaurant, and I'm looking forward to some good meal. It seems like a good restaurant. So yeah, that's the Jeep life. So see ya at the restaurant. So we are right now in Gala restaurant in Kutaisi, and I'm having a bean pot. It looks amazing. And Roman is having chicken barbecue. And yeah, that's it. It looks amazing, and we're gonna taste it. So we just got our clothes from the Lavanda laundry lady here in Kutaisi, and the lady folded the clothes and everything went smoothly. It took like 3 hours, and everything is nicely clean and it smells amazing. So I recommend, if you want to have your wash clothes, you can do it here in Kutaisi Laundry Lavanda. There's really nice lady. She's really sweet. So yeah.
It's funny.
Hello guys, I have to show you something. We have found a place where we're gonna sleep, and we are surrounded by horses. And it looks amazing. There are little horses, and there are like a ton of the horses. I will get a closer look. Yes, I want to go closer, but they don't really want to be around me. They are not, I don't know like who owns these horses. Like I've never seen like horses just like this in the nature, going by themselves on the walk, and it's amazing. And you can hear that they are not happy that I'm here, and kind of trying to make a footage of them, but I hope you can see at least something. And it's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. And Roman is here. So yeah, like Georgia is extremely amazing. We love it here. Nature, people, everything. Yeah, it's beautiful here, guys. You have to visit it. So yeah, so that's about Georgia, and we're gonna have to sleep really early today, because tomorrow at 4 a.m. I'm waking up to go to the airport in Kutaisi, and I'm flying back to the Czech Republic, and then I'm like in 3 days I'm gonna be back in Georgia. So I guess I'm gonna stop vlogging for 3 days. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog in Czech Republic. Let's see, but maybe, maybe or probably I'm gonna see you like in 3 days. I think I'm not gonna like make any video. So thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. I hope you like it. I hope you find it interesting. You can, I don't know, write some comment how you feel about the video, if what you like and what you don't like, and you can comment whatever you like. I'm gonna read the comment and I'm gonna reply to you, and I hope that you like it. Okay.
Thank you. Peace.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.